Greetings, fellow wizards of wealth. It's the Wealth Wizard here, and today we're delving into the magical realm of Etsy, uncovering the secrets for beginners to conjure prosperity on this enchanting platform. Whether you're a budding alchemist or seeking to transmute your talents into treasure, Etsy is where the magic happens. Stick around and let's unlock the mysteries together, unveiling the portal to Etsy. The first step in your magical journey is to open the portal to Etsy. Fear not, for the process is as simple as casting a spell. Once your mystical shop is established, channel your magical energies into crafting a captivating shop banner, a wizardly profile picture, and a spellbinding shop bio. These elements will weave a charm that draws customers into your enchanted emporium, mastering your magical specialization. Now let's talk about mastering your magical specialization. In the world of Etsy, finding your unique enchantment is the key to standing out. Embark on a quest to discover trending products within the magical realms. Unearth your passions and let your magical essence shine through. Remember, your uniqueness is your most potent charm. Crafting powerful enchantments, your listings. Every sorcerer needs a spellbook, and on Etsy, your spellbook is your listings. Let's delve into the art of crafting powerful enchantments. Manifest clear, bewitching photos of your magical creations. Craft spellbinding titles and weave enchanting descriptions. Utilize keywords that resonate with the mystical forces of Etsy's search algorithm. Alchemy of pricing. In the magical marketplace, pricing is a delicate alchemy. Let's master the art of potion pricing to attract the right patrons to your enchanted emporium. Calculate the essence of your production costs, time, and align them with the mystical currents of the market. Strike a balance between offering affordable potions and recognizing the true value of your magical craft. The Wizard's Code, marketing spells. Every wizard knows the importance of spreading their magical influence. Let's unveil the Wizard's Code for effective marketing spells. Harness the power of Etsy's marketing spells and extend your magical reach through the realms of Instagram, Pinterest, and other mystical platforms. Cast your spells wisely to conjure traffic to your enchanted emporium. Sorcerer's Service, providing exceptional customer alchemy. In the sacred scrolls of successful Etsy wizards, exceptional customer service is inscribed. Let's unlock the secrets to providing magical service. Respond swiftly to magical messages, be transparent about the conjuring times, and resolve any mystical disturbances with a positive aura. Happy customers become loyal patrons, leaving behind glowing reviews that echo through the enchanted realms. And there you have it, fellow wealth wizards, a comprehensive guide on how to transmute your magical talents into tangible treasures on Etsy. Remember, the path to prosperity may have twists and turns, but stay true to your magical craft. If you found this mystical guide helpful, don't forget to cast the spell of likes, subscribe to join our mystical fellowship, and hit the notification crystal for more magical content. Until next time, may your coffers overflow with enchanted riches. This is the Wealth Wizard signing off.